Welcome back to Health Tips, guys! Let me ask you something thought-provoking. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to handle stress with ease, while others struggle to maintain their cool? Well, researchers have discovered a fascinating link between our diet and the health of our nerves. And today, we're here to disclose various best food picks for your nervous system that can be your secret weapon for a calmer, more resilient you. Before we proceed, do remember to hit the like button and subscribe to Health Tips so that you can keep getting useful, well-researched tips for use in your daily life. In this captivating video today, we'll delve into the world of neuro-nutrition, exploring how the foods we consume can significantly impact our nervous system's well-being. We'll share with you a hand-picked selection of culinary delights that are not only a feast for your taste buds, but also nourish your nerves from within. So get ready to tantalize your taste buds and soothe your nerves as we unveil the top 10 best foods for your nerves. Trust me, this is one video you won't want to miss. Number 1. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent choices for promoting nerve health. These greens are rich in magnesium, a mineral crucial for nerve function. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters, which are essential for proper nerve signaling. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition in 2019, it was found that individuals who regularly consumed leafy greens experienced lower perceived stress and better cognitive function compared to those who consumed fewer greens. Additionally, dark leafy greens provide a good amount of vitamin C, which supports collagen production for nerve tissue repair. Including these nutrient-dense greens in your diet can contribute to optimal nerve function. Whether consumed in salads, smoothies, or cooked as a side dish, dark leafy greens offer a range of health benefits for your nerves. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are known for their high omega-3 fatty acid content, particularly EPA, or eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid. These fatty acids are crucial for maintaining the structure and function of nerve cells. They play a role in enhancing nerve signaling and reducing inflammation, promoting overall nerve health. Research shows that reduced anxiety symptoms were associated with omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acid treatment. In another study involving male participants, it was discovered that incorporating salmon into their diet 3 times a week led to a reduction in self-reported anxiety levels. Regular consumption of fatty fish or alternative sources of omega-3 fatty acids, such as walnuts and flax seeds, can support optimal nerve function and cognitive abilities. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds offer a wealth of nutrients beneficial for nerve health. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are particularly noteworthy. They are excellent sources of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism in 2010, it was revealed that people who consume nuts regularly experienced lower levels of perceived stress and had improved mood compared to those who did not. Nuts and seeds also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which contribute to nerve function and reduce inflammation. Additionally, they contain B vitamins, including B6 and folate, which are important for nerve cell communication and neurotransmitter production. Incorporating a variety of nuts and seeds into your diet can provide a range of essential nutrients to support and maintain healthy nerves. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are a nutrient-rich food that can support nerve health. They're a great source of monounsaturated fats, which promote brain health and optimal nerve function. Avocados also contain vitamins B5, B6, and folate, essential for nerve communication and neurotransmitter production. Additionally, they provide vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. Incorporating avocados into your diet through various preparations, such as salads or spreads, can provide valuable nutrients to support the health of your nerves. For more informative health content about avocados, do check out our What Happens If You Eat an Avocado Every Day video for more tips. Number 5. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, offer a burst of flavor and a wealth of benefits for your nerves. These colorful fruits are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, which help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. According to research published in the Journal of Functional Foods in 2020, it was discovered that berries, particularly blueberries, were associated with improvements in mood, cognitive function, and stress resilience. Berries also contain vitamin C, which supports collagen production for healthy nerve tissue. Their natural sweetness makes them a delicious addition to cereals, yogurt, or smoothies, providing a refreshing and nerve-nourishing treat. Number 6. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat are not only great for overall health, but also contribute to nerve function. These grains are rich in B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, which are essential for nerve cell maintenance and energy production. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2010 revealed that higher consumption of whole grains in middle-aged adults was associated with better cognitive performance, including improved attention and memory. Whole grains also provide fiber, which promotes stable blood sugar levels and helps prevent nerve damage caused by high blood sugar. Incorporate whole grains into your meals as a side dish, in salads, or as a base for nourishing bowls to support your nerve health. Number 7. Lean protein. Including lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, tofu, and legumes into your diet can provide the building blocks for healthy nerves. Protein is necessary for the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for nerve signaling. It also supports the maintenance and repair of nerve cells. Research has shown that higher protein intake, particularly from lean sources, was associated with lower levels of anxiety, mood regulation, and relaxation. So aim for a balanced intake of lean protein throughout the day to support nerve health and overall well-being. Number 8. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not only refreshing, but also beneficial for your nerves. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from damage. Vitamin C also plays a role in collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining healthy nerve tissue. According to the research published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine in 2017, it was found that incorporating citrus fruits into the diet may contribute to overall well-being and support a healthy nervous system. Enjoy citrus fruits as a snack, in salads, or as a tangy addition to your beverages to add a zing of nerve-supporting goodness to your diet. Number 9. Legumes. Research has shown that individuals who consume a higher number of legumes have a lower risk of developing depression. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. They also offer a variety of nutrients important for nerve health. Legumes contain B vitamins, including folate and pyridoxine, which contribute to nerve cell function and neurotransmitter production. Additionally, they provide minerals like magnesium and potassium, which play a role in nerve signaling and muscle function. Incorporating legumes into your meals, such as soups, stews, or salads, can provide a nutrient-dense boost for your nerves. Number 10. Yogurt. Did you know that incorporating yogurt into your diet can have a positive impact on your nerves? Whether dairy-based or plant-based, yogurt is a versatile and delicious food that can greatly benefit your nerves. It's a good source of B vitamins, including vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve cell maintenance and function. Yogurt also contains calcium, which supports nerve health and proper nerve impulse transmission. To maximize the benefits, opt for plain or low-sugar varieties and consider adding fruits or nuts for added flavor and texture. By including yogurt as a part of a well-balanced diet, you can contribute to maintaining healthy nerves. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. Incorporating a balanced and nutritious diet can greatly benefit your nerves. Foods rich in nutrients like B vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential minerals have been shown to support nerve health, reduce stress, and improve cognitive function. Make mindful choices and include these nourishing foods in your meals starting from today. Coupled with a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and stress management techniques, you can optimize your nerve health and enhance your overall well-being. If you work hard to take care of your nerves, they will definitely help contribute to your vitality and happiness. Thank you for following Health Tips and watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming informative health content with us. Always remember, your health, your life, your priority. Cheers!